Hey everyone, welcome back to Next Level English. In today's video, we're diving into an exciting English grammar practice test featuring 35 MCQs to help you sharpen your skills. So, grab a pen and paper and let's get started. 1. Choose the correct sentence. She doesn't like coffee. Tips: with he, she, or it, use doesn't for negation. 2. Choose the correct form of the verb. I am going to the market. Tips: use am with I in the base form of the verb. 3. Select the sentence with correct punctuation. I went to the store and I bought some apples. Tips: use a comma before and to connect two independent clauses. 4. Which of these is a question? Am I happy? Tips: start a question with a helping verb, for example, am, is, do. 5. Which sentence is correct? She can sing very well. Tips: after can, use the base form of the verb. 6. Choose the correct adjective. This is the most interesting book. Tips: use most to form the superlative adjective. 7. Select the correct sentence. I visited the museum yesterday. Tips: use the simple past tense with a specific time reference, yesterday. 8. Choose the correct word to complete the sentence. She has been working here for 2 years. Tips: use for with a period of time, like 2 years. 9. Which sentence is correct? John and I went to the park. Tips: use I as the subject of the sentence. 10. Which sentence is in the future tense? I will go to the party. Tips: the future tense uses will followed by the base verb. 11. Which sentence is correct? He doesn't have any money. Tips: use doesn't with third person singular subjects, he, she, it. 12. Choose the correct word. The dog chased its tail. Tips: use its for possession, not its, which means it is. 13. Which of these is correct? I had gone to the store. Tips: use had gone to show an action completed before another past event. 14. Which sentence is correct? They were happy to see me. Tips: use were for plural subjects, they, we, you. 15. Select the correct sentence. I enjoy reading books and playing chess. Tips: use the gerund, ing form, after verbs like enjoy. 16. Choose the correct form of the verb. He has gone to the store. Tips: use has with third-person singular subjects, he, she, it. 17. Which is the correct sentence? There are many apples on the table. Tips: use or with plural nouns, apples. 18th. Which word correctly completes the sentence? She speaks English well. Tips: use well as the adverb to modify the verb speaks. 19. Choose the correct sentence. I will go to the party. Tips: use will followed by the base verb, go. 20. Select the correct sentence. I like playing video games. Tips: use like with the base verb form and gerund, ing. 21. Which of these sentences is correct? Neither the dog nor the cat is in the house. Tip: with neither, nor, the verb agrees with the subject closest to it. 22nd. Which sentence is correct? I am taller than him. Tips: for comparative adjectives, use taller without more. 23. Which is the correct question? Does he like chocolate? Tips: with third-person singular, use does and the base verb. 24. Choose the correct option. She can play the piano. Tips: use play after can without adding s. 25. Which of these sentences is correct? There are a lot of books on the shelf. Tips: use or with plural nouns like books. 26. Which of the following sentences is correct? She doesn't like to swim. Tips: remember to use doesn't with singular subjects like she. 27. Choose the correct sentence. He can sing well. Tips: the verb after can should always be in its base form, sing. 28. Select the correct sentence. I visited the museum yesterday. Tips: use the past tense visited with yesterday. 29. Choose the correct form of the verb. They were late to the meeting. Tips: use were for plural subjects like they. 30. Which of the following is a proper noun? John. Tips: capitalize proper nouns like names. 31. Choose the correct sentence. I will go to the store. Tips: will is followed by the base form of the verb, go. 32. Select the correct form of the adjective. This is better than that. Tips: do not use more with comparatives like better. 33. Which sentence is in the passive voice? The cake was eaten by him. Tips: passive voice makes the object the subject. 34. Choose the sentence with correct subject-verb agreement. The dogs run fast. Tips: ensure the subject and verb agree in number. 35. Which of the following sentences uses the correct article? He is an honest man. Tips: use in before words starting with a vowel sound. Great job on completing the quiz. Don't forget to like this video, drop your answers in the comments below, and subscribe for more grammar tips to take your English to the next level. See you in the next video.